Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is your reporter, Charles Huffman, once again. We are in the state of Maine on Loring Air Force Base. Today is the 15th of March, 1984. Yesterday we had the worst snowstorm of the entire season. We're just a few days away from spring right now. And we got this. We had some pretty nasty snowstorms here during the winter. But this one, just a few days before spring, before the beginning of spring, happened to be the worst one. Some of the snow is melting right now. Fortunately, today is relatively warm by northern Maine standards anyhow. And the snow removal crews have done a pretty good job of clearing the roads. What's that? Oh, okay. Let me get on out of here. Right now, Barbara and I are walking around the neighborhood, looking at some of the snow. Hmm? There's our driveway and our little garage area. Building 4545. And that's pretty well cleared out. It looks like the snowplow's been through. And, you know, they haven't done too bad. Everywhere you look, nothing but snow. Snow up the yin-yang. One of the courts. This one hasn't been plowed yet. And as you can see, it's just snow every place. Yesterday or earlier today was a lot worse. Right now, people are still digging their way out. Yep, you're on television.
How you doing?
What's happening?
I ain't on television.
Sure you are. Yeah, you're on candid camera. Say hello to the folks.
Hey, nobody.
Take care, guys. There's Barbie doll down there waiting for me. Say hello to the folks, Barb. I got a feeling it's gonna be another bunch of ground shots. And this one, and this bunch of pictures too. Look at that walk-on bar. Weird. Snow every damn place. Gotcha. One of the benefits of being stationed at a northern tier sector, get a chance to see all this beautiful, wonderful snow. Don't you just love it? Ladies and gentlemen, the car you see right here is a Subaru, and that's the kind that's that's very popular in these types of environments. Most of them are four-wheel drive Subarus, or at least front-wheel drive, and they're good for getting through the snow. They would that. How you doing?
Hi, good.
Yeah, take a picture of the little ones. Hello there.
You said hi.
Hi.
Come over here.
See you all dressed up nice and warm in the little snowsuits, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have it today. All right, be good. See you later. Bye-bye. Ah, there's a car something like ours, only a different color. Toyota Tercel. Ah, some other scenery around the housing area. Some of the wooded area in front of us. Woods all over the damn place. And in the background is the ski chalet. It's about maybe, a half a mile down the road in this direction. Say hello, Barbie.
They're getting down there this way.
Too deep, huh?
No, they didn't plow it.
Mm.
I'm not going to take a chance on walking that.
Yeah. Come on, make a face for us. Turn around here, woman. Make a funny face for us.
Ow, watch it.
Okay.
You want to play? You want to play?
Hey, get out of here. What are you, a wise guy? Security police. Must be going on duty, or on duty.
You're on camera.
Yep, you're on candid camera.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, to tell the people on chips to eat their hearts out. Now we got loring.
You just took a picture of me making an illegal turn. Oh, my God.
Oh, man, got evidence.
How about that?
Yeah, I got evidence, don't I?
Watch
Yeah, I see. All right.
it.
Huh? News folks? No, I'm just messing around, that's all.
Take a terrible picture. Oh, well, you don't want me in there.
Which way you want to go? That way? All right. All right. Oh, we just tried to get across.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Yep. Just to CBS News.
Other than that, I have to duck it.
There's a traffic jam here. Shut up, you goddamn dog. Must have been camera shy. Hey, pulling.
How you doing?
All right, that must be the new little one, huh?
Yeah.
Let me come over here and get me a picture while I'm here. All right.
Camera.
It's on. There's the little one. Let me get a good focus in here. Let me get a good focus. Beautiful little baby, huh?
Yeah.
This is Airman Pullen, and he and his wife have just been blessed with a brand new baby girl.
Boy.
Boy, all right. I knew it was one or the other. Let's see, I want to get that focus just perfect. What's the name?
Jonathan.
How you doing, Jonathan? How do you like your entrance into this cold world? Loring, Maine, no less.
Yeah.
So, how was everything?
Good.
Yeah, you happy?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you got every right to be. Beautiful boy. Looks nice and healthy. 7 pounds, and how many ounces was it?
7 4 3/4.
Wow. Ain't that something? Hell, you're doing all right, man. You're a very lucky man, and we're gonna get one more little shot. All right, Jonathan. Hey, a little sleepy, right? Oh, this is my wife, Barbara.
Nice to meet
And
you.
it's Aaron Pullen. Works on D-Flight, one of the Delta dogs. And he and his wife were just blessed with a brand new little baby boy, Jonathan. 7 pounds and how many ounces?
7 pounds, 4 3/4.
Yep, something like that. If you want to get into exact measurements.
You've met
And
Sergeant Huffman, haven't you?
This must be the wife.
Hi.
Yeah.
How you doing there?
Good.
So, how do you like the new addition to the family?
Oh, I love him.
This is the first one, I take it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, well,
Get him inside.
hopefully the first of many more. Not quite as many as Nickerson, though, but, you know.
Never. Take care.
Take care, guys. Walking in a winter wonderland. La la dee 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 dee. Lee dee 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 da. La 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 la. Walking in a winter's wonderland. La la lee dee dee dee. And you might wanna build a snowman. What you doing out making money?
Can't hear you.
Oh. One of the
Back
guys
up,
on
guys
flight.
parking.
Ah, yes. We are now back at Davidson Court. And I am going to put this camera to rest for the time being. How's that? Okay. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to put this camera to rest. I'm getting tired of carrying the goddamn thing.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to put this camera to rest. I'm getting tired of carrying it. And there's Barbie walking away in the sunset. Wave goodbye to the folks, Barb. Well, the hell with you then. Let's see if I can find a snowball and bombard you with it. As you can see, snow all over the place. Ridiculous, is it not? But that's how it is at Loring Air Force Base in the state of Maine, otherwise known as Vacation Land, if that's what you want to call it. I can see this fire lane has been plowed and cleared, in as much as possible anyhow. And we are now approaching our door, or at least I am. Barbara's still walking around the neighborhood, just stretching the legs, getting some exercise, trimming the fat, so to speak. Whatever. Let me take a close look at this snowmobile. You can get an idea what that looks like. This, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are not familiar with snowmobiles, this is a snowmobile. Let's see if we can get an even closer look at it up here on this mound. Controls on the dashboard. Seat. Let's get the hell out of this damn snow. Shut up, you goddamn dog. That's the neighbor's dog barking. That's nutmeg. Yeah, nutmeg. Something like that. Nutmeg. And little Chrissy. Cute kid. Well, we're gonna fade out now. From this winter wonderland. Fading out. Fade.